Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Siti Izzati binti Abdul Hamid. I'm from BA145E. Today I want to talk about bonds. So I hope this video can help you to know more information about bonds. So let's go. So what is bond? Bond is a long-term fixed income security which the issuer has agreed to pay fixed income payment for a specific period and to repay a fixed amount of principal at maturity to bondholder. It has two parties in bond, which is seller and the buyer. Issue of bond or not as seller is where the bond market provides another avenue for government or corporation to raise a capital. Bond are debt or loan that the issuer issue the bond to for borrowing a specific amount of money for investor for a specific period of time. Usually the issuer is the government and their agency, corporation or commercial bank. For the buyer of bonds is financial institution, other private companies or managed fund. Buyer of bonds also is individual investor who do not normally participate in the bond market. It is because the amount of bond is usually in the large amount. For your information, financial institution, other private companies or managed fund is from the pension, insurance or unit trust funds. There's 5 categories of bond, which is face value, coupon date, coupon rate, maturity date, and issue price. Face value is the money amount the bond will be worth at maturity. The coupon rate is the rate of interest the bond issuer will pay on the face value of the bond, expressed as a percentage. Coupon dates are the dates on which the bond issuer will make interest payment. For maturity date is the date on which the bond will be matured. And lastly, the issue price is the price at which the bond issuer originally sells. Advantage and disadvantage of issuing and investing in bonds. Advantage of issuing bonds are cheaper than issuing share. Interest rate cost is tax deductible and it also not affect the shareholdings. For the disadvantage of issuing bond is paying interest will reduce the firm's profit. The interest payment is mandatory and the debt level and risk increase. Same goes with cost of capital. Next is advantage or disadvantage of investing in bond. For the advantage of investing in bond are lesser risk than equity capital. Bondholder is with secured creditor, can be traded even before maturity, and predictable stream of income and guaranteed repayment of principal. The disadvantage of investing in bond are core risk, long-term bond are volatile, and sometimes fail to keep up with inflation. There are also no benefits such as shareholder SGM, and lastly is bond rates lower than dividend rates. I hope this information will help you to know more about information. Thank you for watching.